Hey there and welcome to Pure Modal Magic, your complete guitar mode solution. I'm Jules of Guitar Jules and I'll be here to guide you through this journey. Some guitarists tend to avoid the modes, thinking that they're really complicated or there's a lot to remember or some maths involved. There really isn't, and when it's explained to you clearly, you'll find it very easy. The secret to remembering modes, like anything, is in the understanding of it. And once you understand the basis and how to formulate and find these modes yourself, the rest is a breeze. The course isn't just going to show you the shapes of the modes, it's going to give you the formulas and the intervallic patterns so you can actually find the modes yourself. You can understand how they're made and in turn remember them more easily. The course has a solo and a rhythm section for each mode to help you get involved and start using them. I'm also going to show you the chord scale so you can learn how to write songs using the modes. By getting involved with this course, you're going to begin to understand how the awesome guitarists you're listening to make that sound that you can't find. I absolutely promised you the way I teach this will make it seem very, very easy, and if not, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. I've been teaching the modes for over 20 years this way now, and it's still the same method I was taught when I was a kid. It's given me all the tools and knowledge I need to travel the world as a working, touring and recording guitarist. As usual with my courses, full tabs and printable PDFs are provided, as well as downloadable jam tracks. You'll also have all the tabs and the chord boxes on screen as you're learning, so nothing's left for guesswork. Okay, go for it, and I'll see you on the inside, and I really hope you enjoy it.